Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable text-to-speech notification in Discord. So all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and click the user settings on the lower left-hand side. Scroll down to where you find the notification options here and click there. Now you want to scroll a bit down till where you'll find the text-to-speech notification. If it's currently set to never, you can turn this on for all channels, or you can do it for the current selected channel as well. So all you have to do is just go ahead and change this. And once you turn this on, guys, it basically gonna allow, they said, high-tech robot speak to notify you. If this is what you want, you can have it on. But I promise you, if you're receiving a lot of notifications, this could quickly become annoying. I'm telling you the truth. It could quickly become annoying. But, regardless, for whatever reason you need to turn this on, this is how you basically do it. But by default, the feature is off, but you can easily turn it on for whatever you want. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.